Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and disconnecting all peripherals so nothing interferes. This prevents false positives. Next, perform a hard reset. Hold refresh plus power for 10-15 seconds. This resets the display controller without wiping data. Visually inspect the screen and hinge for loose cables or dents. If you see physical damage, stop and note it. Once done, reconnect the charger and boot. You'll know if the glitch persists, because transient firmware hiccups clear after the reset. Now you focus on software. Update Chrome OS because many display bugs are fixed in patches. Go to Settings then about Chrome OS and check for updates. If update fails or system is unstable, create USB recovery media and enter recovery mode to reinstall the OS. This addresses corrupted drivers. Also, open display settings and toggle brightness and resolution, and disable hardware acceleration to see if rendering causes the glitch. Make sure to reboot between changes so results are clear. Finish by isolating hardware. Connect an external monitor. If external is fine, the internal panel or cable is at fault. If both glitch, suspect GPU. If you can safely open the Chromebook, reseat the display cable, because loose connectors commonly cause flicker. Replace the cable only if you're confident. If problems persist after these steps, gather your model, serial, and notes. Then contact support or arrange a repair. And remember this troubleshooting tip. Document reproducible steps so technicians can replicate the glitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.